Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upload your website in Hostinger files and database. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in your dashboard, click the Manage button beside your business web hosting. Next, open your File Manager. Here, access your website's files by clicking on its folder. Now, it's time to upload your website. To do that, open the public_HTML folder. Then, inside it, select a folder where you want to upload your files. In my case, I'll choose WordPress. Choosing the right folder helps keep your website files organized and ensures that everything loads correctly when visitors access your site. Now, on the top right corner, click the upload icon and choose File. Go ahead and select the zip file of the website you want to upload. Once the upload is complete, right-click on the file and select Extract. You can name the folder if you want, then click Extract to proceed. After that, we'll move the extracted files to the main folder. To do this, open the folder you just extracted. Press Ctrl+E on your keyboard to highlight all files, then right-click and select Move. Choose the first folder as the destination, then click Move Files. Now that your files are in place, it's time to set up the database. Go back to your website dashboard in Hostinger and open the Databases section. Here, create a new database by adding a name, username, and password. Once done, click Create. If you scroll down, you'll now see your newly created database. Next, enter the phpMyAdmin section to import your database file. At the top, click on the Import tab. Then, click Choose File and select the database file from your old web hosting. Once done, scroll down and click Import. This will upload your database successfully. Now, if your website is built with WordPress, you'll need to update some settings. Go back to your website files in the File Manager. Scroll down and find the wconfig.php file. Right-click it and select Edit. Here, you'll see fields for DB name, user, and password in the code. We'll need to update those. Go back to your Hostinger database section. Copy your database name. Go back to the editor and paste it into the DB name field. Then, copy your username and paste it into the DB user field. Finally, enter the password you used when creating the database. Once everything is updated, click the Save icon at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your website files and database to Hostinger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.